Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and I have an exciting new project pan intro for you guys. This is the Fall For You project pan. I am doing this in collaboration with a whole bunch of other YouTubers and Instagrammers. I will leave their channels, the spreadsheet, everything down below for you guys to go check their videos and Instagram posts as well. But basically, this is where you pick 6 to 10 products that you want to hit different goals on. You can use it up, hit pan, what have you. And you have until, I think, November 15th. I'll have all the information down below in case I haven't messed up. And they have to be products that you truly love and you want to use before kind of they go bad. So I picked out 6 items that I wanted to work on. I'm also doing the 5 by Fall project pan. I will link that up in the cards, as well as a Pan That palette this year. I'm doing the Marc Jacobs Scandalous, pairing it with the Modern Renaissance palette. I will link that above as well. So I didn't want to put too much makeup item in here. There are a couple. Half of it is makeup, half of it is skincare. But let's jump into it. The first thing is actually a hand cream. And I need to go back to being a project painter again, but this is from a Delectable. This is the Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream. I'm about halfway done with it. I'll mark it after this video and kind of let you guys know in an Instagram post and my update, kind of where I'm at. But I have a whole pack of these that I got for Christmas last year. I really like hand cream. I don't typically use it too much in the summertime, but as we're going into fall, I want to make sure to use this and keep working it into my hands before we get too bad into the winter, and then you just kind of get those bloody, chafing kind of hands. So I love this stuff. I will hopefully continue to use this on a daily basis, especially having this in my project pan. It'll keep me kind of concentrated on it. But this one is the Coconut and Cream scent. I have a couple other ones that I can rotate in once this is done, but I did want to add this in as my first item. The next item is actually a tinted moisturizer or light foundation. This is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, and this is a newer product. The shade I have is light neutral, and it's pretty much full. I have a couple of different foundations in my collection, and I like to play with a bunch of different ones, but I want to just concentrate on one and use it up. It is what is on my face today. I paired it with my Hourglass Ambient Light Powder from Hourglass, and I really like the combo of it. It's just kind of a brightening, looks good on the skin, looks like your skin just came from the spa or something. I don't know. I feel like my skin looks really good as those two paired together. So I want to continue to work on this. If you want to see a demo, full first impression review kind of video of this product, I will link in the cards for you guys. I really like it. I do still prefer my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream just because it has the SPF in it. So I have this as my second item to try and use it up. So adding on to what I already pulled, but this is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light, and I have already hit pan on this thing. This is actually the second or third full size that I've completely used up of this. Also used up the ambient lighting palette, that trio that has dim light, incandescent light, and radiant light. Love that thing, and that is what got me hooked on dim light as using it as a setting powder. So I'm just gonna throw this in with this. I would be okay if I don't completely use this up because I love this thing. I use it on date nights, going out with the girls, things like that. So tonight is a date night, so I did get my makeup on, things like that, and I figured I'd film my intro for this video. But I love this stuff. So good. Check it out. But I should be able to use this up by November. I do have a backup of it as well. Yeah, I have a backup of it. Once I hit pan on that thing, I make sure to get a backup of it. So it's good if I use that up. The next thing here is another skincare item. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Water Cream. And I love this moisturizer. It feels kind of like a gel moisturizer on your face, but since it's such a deluxe sample small guy, I kind of tend to lose this in my bathroom counter. So hopefully in this project and kind of having it out in front, I will focus on using it. I really like the way it feels on the skin, so I want to use this up this project. The next item will be a push for me. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Into the Blue, and this is one of my older like liquid glitter eyeshadows from Stila. And I love this to just kind of apply all over the eye. You can put an eyeshadow on top of it, but these things tend to dry out and they are pretty pricey. So I want to make sure that I get some good use out of it, especially in the fall time, like end of summer, fall time. I think blue would be a really pretty color to continue to add and kind of mix with my Pan That palette. So I did add this one to the project. Last skincare item, I love this thing, and this kind of goes hand in hand with the hand cream, is continuing to use body lotion. I've noticed my legs are starting to dry up, and I've really been enjoying this one. This one was actually in my recent favorites video. I'll link that above as well. But this is the Human and Kind Body Souffle, and this stuff just smells so good. It's so lightweight on the skin too. It's just one of those perfect body lotions. I actually discovered this from a FabFitFun box, and I've really been enjoying it. So I am, if I get all the air out, probably like down to here. I'll draw the line after, but this is in the project so I can make sure to stay moisturized before we get into those colder, drier months. And then last product is a lip product. This is from Nude Sticks. It's the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil, and that is currently where I'm at on that one. Don't have it on my lips today. I have my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk for date night, but this is a really pretty kind of rose pink kind of shade. I love it for the lips. I don't recommend you guys put this on your cheeks, but I have been working on this for a while. It's probably one of the older products in my collection, so hopefully I can use this and work on it during this project. But let me know what you think my first item I'll be able to use up is in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Or if you're doing this project alongside me and the other girls, let me know down below as well. I'd love to check your channel out, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with this project pan and other project pans, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am.